Hi friends, today we will learn about hybridization, that is both important topic for 10th class and for intermediate first year. So this is the hybridization. Hybridization, the video already I have made it in a Telugu version in our channel. We can check it in our channel. So now I will tell it in English version. So hybridization. Hybridization means the process of intermixing of two or more orbitals and formation of new hybridized orbital with some bond angle and different shape. So by regarding to s and p orbitals, the hybridization is three types. So three types. They are sp, sp2 and sp3. So three types of hybridizations are there regarding s and p orbitals. Firstly, I explain you the definitions of these orbitals hybridization. So sp hybridization means the process of intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital is known as sp hybridization, and its shape is linear shape, means like this. So 180 degrees bond angle and shape is linear. And when we go to the sp2 hybridization, the s orbital, that means one s orbital and two p orbitals intermix and form one new sp2 hybridized orbital with certain bond angle, that is 120 degrees, form the shape trigonal planar. This sp2 form a shape called trigonal planar, and bond angle is 120 degrees. And when we enter into the sp3 hybridization, it is very simple, friends. One s orbital and three p orbitals intermix and form one sp3 hybridized orbital, which forms a shape tetrahedral, and its bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes. So simple, friends. sp hybridization means one s orbital and one p orbital. Here one s orbital and two p orbitals. sp2 means sp3 have one s orbital and three p orbitals. So here these orbitals intermix and form here one sp hybridized orbital, here sp2 hybridized orbital, here sp3 hybridized orbital. We enter now to the example section. So in examination point of view, you have to write first sp hybrid orbital definition, sp hybridization, and example. So here also sp2, afterwards the explanation and example. So 1, 2, 3. In this order we have to write in the examination point of view. So for the learning purpose I am saying like this, friends. So sp hybridization, we can take example is BCl2. Hybridization, electronic configuration of beryllium is 1s2 2s2, 1s2 2s2, and there is no single electrons, so there is no bond electrons. So these 2s2 will get excited and it turns into 2s1 2p1, then here bonding electron will be present. So 2s1 and 2px1. So these two intermix, s orbital 2s1 plus p orbital 2px1, that is the shape that forms this one. So this is sp hybridized orbital, which formed by the intermixing of one s orbital and one p orbital. This is sp hybridized orbital, and bond angle is 180 degrees, and shape is we can observe linear. B is Cl2. Cl2 means two chlorines. So chlorine electronic configuration is, here I am writing, observe it. So neon electronic configuration, and 3s2 3p5. 3s2 3p5 means 2pz1. 2pz1 is a bond electron, so it is a p orbital, so like this it forms. So here bond formula is SPP. Sigma SPP means sigma bond end to end overlapped, so here end to end overlapped, so here sigma bond, and here it is an sp hybridized orbital, so here sp bond, this is the p orbital of chlorine, so I write it sp bond p, sp bond p, sigma sp bond p. So here shape is linear and 180 degrees. So when we come to sp2 hybridization, whereas it is 130 degrees and trigonal planar, we can example give it df3. So boron 1s2 2s2 and 2p1. So here there are three fluorines, but there are unpaired electrons are 1. So 2s2 got excited state, and it will turn to 2s1 and 2p2. So here 3 electrons, then these intermix, here 2s1 and 2p2 means 2p orbitals intermix and form. So I am drawing small diagrams. So here 130 degrees bond angle and it is a trigonal planar shape. So whereas this fluorine got electronic configuration 1 less than neon, that is 1s2 2s2 2p5. So 2p5 means it is 2pz1 is left freely. So here p electron, p orbital bonds. So here forms 3 bonds that are sp bond p, sp bond p, here sp bond p. So 3 sp bond p bonds are formed, sigma bonds, because they are end to end overlapped, and the bond angle is 130 degrees and the shape is trigonal planar. I am writing somewhat congested. You can check the textbook once and you can understand clearly. So here sp3, I got explained that this shape is tetrahedral and 109 degrees 28 minutes is the bond angle of this orbital, hybridized orbital. So here we can take CH4 is the example. Carbon have 1s2 2s2 2p2, this electronic configuration, but as a point of view, hydrogen has 4 hydrogens are given, but there are 2 unpaired electrons are there. So 2s2 got excited and it changes to 2s1 and p orbital to 2p3. So here 1s2 2s1 2p3. Then we can observe the hybridization, sp3 hybridization, that is 1 s orbital and 3 p orbitals intermix and form one new sp3 hybridized orbital with the bond angle 109 degrees 38 minutes and tetrahedral shape. So here we can observe the shape. So this is the tetrahedral shape and 109 degrees 28 minutes, whereas s orbital and 3 p orbitals are intermixed and formed sp3 hybridized orbital. So here these 4 hydrogens mix. So hydrogen 1s1, so circles means spherical shapes are attached. So 1 2 3 4. So here bond is found, here bond, 4 bonds are found, sigma sps, sigma sps, sigma sps, sigma sps. 4 sigma sps bonds are there because it is an s orbital. So here sigma sp s is written. So here 109 degrees 28 minutes is the bond angle and it is a tetrahedral shape. So finally we got into a conclusion. sp hybridized orbital 1s and 1p, 180 degrees bond angle, linear shape, and sp2 hybridization here trigonal planar and 120 degrees, and 1s orbital, 2p orbitals. Here sp3 hybridization, 1s orbital, p3p orbitals with 109 degrees 20 minutes bond angle and tetrahedral shape. Here the first one example is BeCl2, that is barium chloride, and here is BF3 or BCl3, so beryllium fluoride, boron fluoride, or here CH4, that is methane. So this is the explanation of hybridization, friends. This we can help you get help in both the intermediate and in 10th class. So please learn this and share with your friends to get gained by this video. Thank you, friends. Watch this channel again and again. Visit again.